Continue to do that. You don't want to tug on it or pull on it. You just want to be firm but gentle. So
Contagious disease warning. June 12, 2021. Second Life Milkeries. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Maximus and Milk and Dry Department of Public Health. MMPH is tracking the possible outbreak of a new infectious bovine disease. The disease was first detected 4 days ago at the Sierra. At this time, several people have been hospitalized due to the disease. All persons in Second Life are advised to take the following precautions. Practice proper hygiene, such as washing your fucking hands and covering your goddamn cough. Keep an eye out for possible symptoms of the disease, which may include, but are not limited to, sneezing, sour milk, psychotic behavior, nausea, screaming, chafed nipples, and a fever of 104 degrees or higher. If you or a loved one experiences any of these symptoms, transport them to a hospital or call 911 immediately. Stay tuned to Maximus for further updates.